Hello everyone, this is Brady with InVideo, and today I have another banging trend alert for you guys. This one is called the Don't Be Surprised If One Day I Just. This is a super fun trend to show which life you want to live, or you can display really cool images. We will be going over the exact steps on how you can use this with a ready-to-use template. Not just that, but if you stick around to the end, I'm also going to be showing you how you can use this trend for your brand or business. So with that being said, let's get started. In order to do this trend, you're going to need two different things. One, you're going to need an intro video for that first scene. And then the second thing you're going to need is 10 images or up to 10 images so you can actually complete the trend. Once you have those assets ready, you want to go ahead in the description of this video, click that template link. You're going to be greeted with this screen. You want to first go up to the top right, click sign up, enter your name, email, and password, and then we are ready to get started. Now that you have signed in, you want to go ahead and click use this template. This is going to bring us directly in the editor so we can go ahead and drag and drop our clips in. So now that we are in the editor, you will see that the first scene is that intro video I was talking about, and then the next scene is going to be your 10 images. So to get started, what you want to do is go up to the top left and click this upload button, and you want to go ahead and click upload media. This is where we're going to be uploading your intro clip and images so we can drag and drop them into the editor. Now the glory about using the editor in here is you will see that the images is already synced up with the audio, so all you have to do is drag and drop your clips, and then we are completely done. So you will see that now I'm going to go ahead and take my first clip, my intro clip, drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit replace. It's going to then bring up this trim menu. You just want to make sure that it is trimmed to fit scene so it doesn't go past the scene length, which then will actually mess up the audio. Go ahead and click done, and you will see that it automatically imports it in. The text is still there, and I'm obviously pointing to it, and just like that, you are done with the first scene. Now for this next scene, you will see that there is 10 images. If you did not upload 10 of your own images, you can go on the left side, click images, and search for free stock images in here. There are premium images that you can use if you buy a subscription, but there is also tons of free media to choose from. So for example, if I were to search up camping in here and hit search, and you can go ahead and actually untick both of these are all free to use images that you can use for your template. But once you are done with that and you have imported all 10 of your images and drag and drop them onto the canvas, you want to go ahead and go to the top right, click that download and share button, and click export. This is then going to start rendering the video so you can download it and use it on any platform. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can use this for your brand or business. I actually made these all using free images on the InVideo editor. I'm going to be showing you guys the first one. The first one is for a shoe brand company that just says, "Don't be surprised if one day I just," and then you can show a collection of your shoes in stock. Now obviously you can do this more specifically with a person or just a certain shoe, but I just really wanted to show you guys how you could use this to display your products. This next one is for a vegan company. It just says, "Don't be surprised if one day I just," and then it shows her eating yogurt. Then it transitions to a bunch of vegan things, vegan patties, saying that they're going vegan. This is again another great way to display your vegan products, saying that don't be surprised if one day I just completely switch up and eat vegan. And then you can also display your awesome looking vegan food. Just another great way to use a very trendy topic. If you guys did find this tutorial helpful, make sure you guys check out this playlist where we go over the top trends on TikTok and Instagram and how you can do them with ready to use templates. This has been Brady with InVideo, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.